I've been damaged. I've been damaged, yeah. I've been damaged. I've been damaged. I'm damaged. I've been damaged, yeah. I'm damaged. They broke my heart, turned me into a savage. I do everything they wanted. Now I'm here all alone. I don't wanna hear them call my phone. They be fake. The people I trust in, they really do hate. No, I don't have the time to wait or contemplate. I'm focusing on myself. I've been damaged. They broke my heart, they turned me into a savage. No, I'm living like a savage, yeah. I've been damaged. I don't know what I did wrong, but they always take me for granted. And I feel like I'm not worth it, but I know I'm worth it, even though I know that I ain't fucking perfect. Yeah, I've been damaged so many different ways. I look back on them days when the sun shine with the rays. I just look up and I gaze. Look up and I say to myself, I just wish I can take a trip and go out of space. A different place where people won't be in my face. I've been damaged. No, I'm a fucking savage. Real nigga, I'm not average. They take me for granted. No, my life is enchanted. I'm moving so low, rocking Gucci Prada, yeah, I'm rocking Polo. Yeah, they said the star life ain't for yo. I said the green face going for the money, for the dough, yeah. They take me for granted, they say I ain't gon' make it. The smile on their faces, I know from the start they was faking, yeah. No, they try to show their true colors, tryna hate, but I see they know that I am great, and I won't hesitate to go for the money to put the food on my plate. But being damaged, it just being a part of being someone who gotta feel to know what is pain.